Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer calendar event ownership. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Calendar? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into your customized homepage. I'd like you to know that once your Google account has been set up in your PC, Google automatically creates an account for you once you sign up to any of their direct products, which include Calendar. So now that we're on this homepage, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to transfer calendar event ownership. From this calendar, I'd like you to locate an event that you want to transfer ownership for. So let's say this is an event I created, and that's prayers. So click on the event, and that takes you over here. Here you have the option to edit the event. You have the option to delete the event. You also have the option to email event details, and you have your three dots menu. So click on the three dots menu, and that takes you over here where you have print, duplicate, copy to Amy calendar, publish event, and change owner. So click on change owner, and once you click on change owner, you can now add your new owner. I just have one person, so let's say, okay, just an email of another person. Okay, I want this person to be the owner. I would like to transfer ownership of this event. Now go ahead and click on change owner. Once you click on change owner, that's it. That message has been sent to that person. So once that person gets it in the mail and the person accepts it, the person becomes the new owner of that event. So this is how to transfer event ownership. Now you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.